So today we are going to discuss about a very special and a unique topic, which is implants for the male chest. So we all come across a number of talks or different videos about female breast implants, which are pretty much one of the most common surgeries that are done, and that is used to improve the size of the breast, the volume of the breast, as well as the shape of the breast. But men are not alone. We do have the option of chest implants, which are called pectoral implants for the men. So certain men who do go to gym regularly, try to pump up their chest muscles, and despite trying hard, have not been able to get the right shape that they are looking for, or probably the volume is not enough, or they don't have the definition that they are looking for. In those cases, these pectoral implants or chest implants can come in handy. This implant is much sturdier than what a breast implant would be like. A breast implant is made up of a nanotextured or a smooth silicone shell on the outside and has silicone gel on the inside, whereas a pectoral or a male implant is typically solid and made of a solid silicone. So in compared to the volume and the softness that a breast implant provides, a male chest implant or a pectoral implant is to provide the shape as well as the masculinity that it is supposed to offer. Also, when compared to the breast implant surgeries, which are typically done on an incision which is placed just below the breast, a male pectoral implant is typically placed through a pectoral groove incision or a chest incision on the sides, or it can also be placed through an axillary or an armpit incision. The incision heals pretty well and it is not visible from the outside. A pectoral implant is always placed below the muscle, and once it is placed below the muscle, the suturing is done and the surgery takes probably around 2 to 3 hours. Once it is done, the patient can go back on the same day. It's like a daycare surgery as it is for any breast implant surgery. And also after the surgery, there are certain restrictions that the patient has to follow. One of them, or the most important one, is that they are not supposed to do aggressive chest exercises. They can resume their normal cardio exercises or a lower body exercises probably a week after, once they are comfortable with the pain as well as they have started resuming the other normal activities. But when it comes to the chest activities, we ask them to wait for probably around 4 to 6 weeks at least, so that there is a uniform capsule that forms around the implant and that will help maintain its position below the chest. Why is it important is that because the implant is placed beneath the muscle, as and when the muscle contracts, it will have a tendency for the implant to move. So it's important that we allow the implant to stay in one particular place, form a capsule around so that it doesn't move even when we pump up the muscles. A pectoral implant surgery can therefore be offered to someone who is looking for an enhanced chest definition despite having gone for gym for a very long time and not been able to pump it up to the level that they wanted. It is also used in a very specific case known as Poland syndrome, where congenitally or by birth, certain people do not have a chest muscle or a pectoral muscle developed on one side. So in patients or in people who are suffering from Poland syndrome and do not have a chest muscle on one side, this pectoral implant, which is designed in the shape of your chest muscle, can give you the contour and definition to match the other side. The surgery is absolutely safe, simple daycare procedure, and patient can come in the morning and go back home by the same day. So if you want to know more about pectoral implants and whether this would help you enhance your male chest definition, please comment below and we would send you the details about it. So if you are someone who has dreamt of getting a good male chest and despite trying hard on the gym has not been able to get it, and probably if you are someone who wants this definition without going to the gym, then these chest implants can be the right solution for you.